Lessons from the COVID-19 pandemic. Are we prepared for the next one? The COVID-19 pandemic was one of the most significant global crises in recent history, disrupting economies, healthcare systems, and everyday life. It exposed vulnerabilities in our preparedness for public health emergencies and forced governments, businesses, and individuals to adapt quickly. Now, as the world moves forward, it's crucial to reflect on the lessons from the COVID-19 pandemic and assess whether we are truly ready for the next outbreak. Lesson 1. The importance of early detection and rapid response. One of the most significant takeaways from the COVID-19 crisis is the need for early detection and a strong public emergency response. In the early months of the outbreak, many countries struggled to implement widespread testing and contact tracing, allowing the virus to spread uncontrollably. Moving forward, investing in global surveillance systems, improving data sharing between nations, and increasing access to rapid testing can help contain future pandemics before they escalate. Lesson 2. Strengthening healthcare systems. COVID-19 overwhelmed hospitals worldwide, exposing weaknesses in healthcare infrastructure. Many nations faced shortages of medical supplies, hospital beds, and healthcare workers. To prevent similar issues in the future, governments must invest in healthcare infrastructure, healthcare workers, and ensure a steady supply of personal protective equipment and ventilators. Lesson 3. Addressing misinformation and communication challenges. Misinformation spread rapidly during the pandemic, leading to confusion, vaccine hesitancy, and distrust in medical authorities. To improve future responses, governments and health organizations must provide clear, transparent, and science-based information to build trust with communities. Lesson 4. The need for global cooperation. COVID-19 proved that pandemics know no borders. Countries that work together on vaccine distribution, research, and public health strategies had better outcomes. Moving forward, global cooperation should focus on strengthening global health initiatives, ensuring safety of vaccines before public distribution, and establishing international protocols for pandemic response. Are we prepared for the next pandemic? Despite progress, many challenges remain. While some countries have improved their healthcare infrastructure and emergency preparedness, others still lack the necessary resources. The lessons from the COVID-19 pandemic have shown us that preparation requires a proactive approach. Waiting until the next outbreak occurs will be too late. The world cannot afford to repeat past mistakes. By applying the lessons from the COVID-19 pandemic, we can build a more resilient, prepared society, one that is ready to face the next public health crisis with confidence.